Can't travel, but sure of a hero's welcome if he were to return home. And did anyone reach out when he had to go to prison? Part 2 tonight of our Zoom chat with the original Flosser Flippa Mafia. Almost a decade spent in jail, but still flossing and doing music. Tonight, more from Flippa Mafia on life after prison, who supported him when he most needed it, and who held it like a G. So what can you contribute to the music scene right now? Your era came and went.
Well, that's what they said, but it's my style. Most of this young generation living off. So it's not like it gone. And my style them are living it. But we do it the right way, the real way. Some of them are mock and are fake. We don't mock and fake. It's the same thing. It's just different rhythm, different vibe. But Flippa still the same Flippa. Flippa still clean out and apart and have fun. It's just that I'm not gonna throw away money again because those are the things that draw certain attention and stuff like that. I rather donate it to school and stuff like that. But right now, Flippa is looking out for Flippa because Flippa don't look out for everybody already. And when it's time for somebody to look out for Flippa, there is nobody to look out for Flippa.
But what is Flippa without flossing?
Well, we're still flossing. And we are the man. We not take program. We not overdo it. We are going to maintain a cruise because of our time now.
Says he's still producing, has a label called Flip Money Records. Also keeps modeling Sunday in Philly. Big party coming up June 30 called Evolution. Shaggy says old school dancehall is dead. That sound has gone. It's been replaced by a completely different sound. You agree with him?
I disagree. Listen, I go to a lot of dance since I come out and party. And I swear to God, like if you notice and you look, when they play all these new songs, yeah, people dance for a minute, but they don't really enjoy themselves. They have to go back to 80s, 90s. They have to go back to some Beanie Man, Everclean. They have to go back to some Vibes Cartel. They have to go back to some Capitan, Sizzler to all the vibes, Bob Marley. You understand? And all of those type of music. Old school dancehall can't dead. A lot of these artists, and you know me, I do this a long time. Them will wear fake clothes, and then them will act like say it real. You have to wear a real thing. Better not wear cheap thing and know say a clean thing and good thing when I wear fake thing and I come brag and talk, oh, me in a low, me in a Gucci. And guess what it make? Mooney or one different tailor and then buy the cloth and then patch up. We don't do that. We keep it real. Anywhere I'm going now, me not have song to mash up the place because my charisma and the way how me come in a party and how me deal with party, people just enjoy themselves. That's my motto.
Were you abandoned by people you knew in the music business? Were you abandoned by friends when you went to prison?
Definitely. But guess what? I never have to really depend on people. I got a good support system in my family. And that's why I'm going to put myself in a position for when these days comes or things like this happen, because you have to be realistic and know that certain things can happen. I never have to really call upon them for help.
Who stuck with you? Who stayed by your side? Who helped you? Who supported you?
Well, I'm going to be honest. Capleton stuck by me. Make sure my mother all right, all of these things, even though, you know, Popcorn, same way, cause Unruly Magala. You understand me? I do now still maintain a relationship. Him always call, check, make sure I'm all right. And a few more, we the one that I'm family for life. You understand where I come from? So Jack Cure, and I can't even remember some of them, but I get support from a lot of them. But I am also disappointed in a lot of them. I'm not even going to put them out there. You understand me? Like them forget what Flippa used to do for them and what Flippa helped them.
The Jamaicans you know in America, are they pro-Donald Trump or pro-Joe Biden?
Honestly, a lot of them is saying Trump because of the free money. You understand me? And a lot of them saying Democrat doing this, doing that. But guess what? I can say that Democrat do a good job, or Biden them do a good job by even give a lot of Jamaican opportunity to be here. It don't benefit me one way or the other. But I like a lot of things that I see they are doing. And only thing I'm going to tell you, I like Trump because he's honest and he's telling you exactly what he's doing. So you must be a fool if you don't take this man and his word or believe what he want to say.
And what are Jamaicans saying about Andrew Holness and Mark Golding?
He did his time. Andrew Holness need to go now. It's Mark Golding enough time. Me believe in them need to rotate the government. You take 2 term and you take 1 term or 2 term and whatever. Rotate. I think with Mark Golding is going to be a good prime minister whenever I win. Straight up.
I am told you had a girlfriend who went to jail for you. What's happened to her?
She been come home. She been home long before me, you know? She the woman, she go school and she get herself together, try open her own business.
How long was she incarcerated?
I think she did 6 years.
That's a long time to do for you. She did it for you?
She didn't do it for me, she did it for herself.
Weren't you the reason why she did time?
Well, listen, I can't speak for her, you know. She'll have to speak on her behalf. She's there, so if you want to get in contact with her, we can help you with that. And I don't think she's that type of person. She don't really like the spotlight. So that's why she's there and a lot of people don't see her or hear from her. But she's quite fine, trust me.
Are you grateful to her?
Why wouldn't I be? She got 2 kids for me. She's a great woman. I would always be grateful. Because what she did, a lot of women would did them and break down. And she never break. She hold it like a G. So I have to give her a respect.
6 years is a long time to have to do for holding it.
Well, guess what? Remember, you know, when everything they all right, everybody they all right and benefiting. So when a time for hold it, she hold it. Just like how Flippa hold it, and a lot of people mix and screw it and top or say Flippa squeal and Flippa tell. It's not fair.
If Flippa Mafia were to come to Jamaica, how do you think Jamaicans would receive him, welcome him?
Hero returning. Right now, anyhow, me supposed to return and me I keep my welcome home at National Stadium. I know I'm going to sell out that. No doubt about that.
So Flippa Mafia what? You're saying you're as big as Vibes Cartel or Butcher Banter?
Of course, why not? Why not?
In a tech program. We are the man. Money enough. We are the.